Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a lazy wig install for beginners. Also, this wig is being sponsored by Kiss Wig. Now they are claiming that they are a wig expert, but we're going to get into it and talk about it in this video. Alright, so this is their 20-inch HD pre-plucked lace frontal wig. I am going to add some pictures in here just to show you girls the comparison between the Kiss wigs and others. So one thing that I like about this particular wig is if I wanted to do a deep side part, which you girls know I don't normally do, I won't run into any issues with tapping into the cap on this wig. I'm actually able to get a really good amount of parting space on the side of this wig. Also, I noticed when I was washing the hair and blow drying the hair, the ends on this wig is a lot thicker and fuller than what I am used to when it comes to these type of wigs. And I also noticed that the wig does have a little bit more shine or sheen, if you will, to the actual hair, as you can see, which sometimes some companies can lack this when it comes to the natural shine of a wig. So yeah, look at the parting space on this wig. I did mention earlier in the video that this is, I'm talking so fast, that this is a pre-plucked lace frontal wig and it is a HD lace, and y'all, it's giving. Y'all, I love me a flat install, and this wig is definitely giving just that. So they sent me this curling iron slash flat iron, and girl, I believe this is gonna be such a hit when it comes to like traveling or whatever, because it bends and it just seems like it's gonna be easy transporting it. But I want to test this out real quick and see how it does when it comes to curling the hair. So I'm just going to take a small section and curl my hair and see what it do. I've honestly never seen a curling iron do this before, but it does work and it does get really hot. So look at how that little curl turned into this. So yeah girl, I'm just about to add some big curls to my hair because I just wanted to do like a loose fun look, especially because this is supposed to be like a lazy girl, super quick, beginner friendly install. So I didn't want to do a whole lot, but I didn't want to do like a straight install either. So I just decided to add some curls to this wig. OMG, I absolutely love how this wig turned out. Look at the hairline, look at the parting space. Super quick install, no glue needed. Some quick, big, fluffy curls. And girl, I am out the door. Literally, I love how flat this wig. Like, look at that. Girl, if you don't stop, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I did not know this wig was given like this. Okay, girls, so this is pretty much the final look. Love this wig, love how flat it is. Love that I did not really need to do too much to this wig to achieve this look. So I will make sure I have everything below in the description bar. And I'm really trying to figure out if I want my curls to kind of be flat or if I want to add a little bit more volume to it. Either way, child, this wig is giving. I love it. I'll make sure I have everything below so that you can purchase this wig using my coupon code below. Thanks for watching. Bye, girls.